Good morning. In this video, I show you how to download a video or audio file from YouTube by using a public domain package named YouTube DL that you are able to download from one of these sites or from the first YouTube or from the mother link, this one. Well, we can open pump of comments and copy the path where there is YouTube DL package. So change directory, paste the path and type YouTube DL minus F uppercase and the link of the page of YouTube. In this case is one of my video link. Copy the link and paste the link, enter. Now we can show the very format file and I choose one of these. In this case I want to download this file with low quality resolution. For example, I want to download this one, only video, so 160 format. Well, YouTube DL minus lowercase f, the number of formats, in case 160, and the link, enter. Just wait, and here we have the file with a very low resolution. If you want to download another resolution, YouTube DL minus F uppercase, again Ctrl V, paste the link, enter. Now I want to download the same file with higher resolution. For example, the best resolution is one, but we can show only video. So YouTube DL minus F, the number, this one, 313, and the link, Ctrl V, enter. Just wait. Now the file is bigger than before. In 3 seconds we have the second file, this one. Open. Now we can see the resolution higher than before. This is the first download, very bad resolution. This is the second. Well, thank you.